The Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE delivers cooling performance that rivals many premium air coolers thanks to its dual tower design and dense aluminum fin stack. Its 6 copper heat pipes use an advanced gravity-resistant layout that keeps temperatures consistent whether the case is standing upright or laid flat. The pair of 120mm pulse-width modulation fans move a substantial amount of air while staying impressively quiet, even under sustained load. Installation is straightforward on both modern Intel and AMD sockets, with solid metal mounting hardware that feels secure once everything is tightened down. Despite its substantial size, the cooler is thoughtfully shaped to avoid most memory slots, so tall memory heat spreaders are usually not an issue. Overall, it offers a very strong balance of thermal headroom, low noise, and broad compatibility that makes it an excellent choice for gaming and productivity builds.